Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Total Health Turnaround. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that could bring relief to those of you suffering from chronic sinusitis or nasal dryness from low humidity, CPAP machines, or allergies. I have done my research and gathered the data for you, so sit back and relax while I cover the wonderful drug-free clear and Zinase nasal sprays with xylitol and how they can make a significant difference in your life. Please stick around until the end of this video to find out why these two choices may be better than some alternative over-the-counter medications for sinus congestion. Before we dive into the benefits, let's start with the basics. What are clear and Zinase nasal spray? Well, they are a nasal spray that's specifically formulated with a key ingredient called xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sugar alcohol that has some incredible properties for improving our sinus health. Xylitol may sound familiar to you because it is a healthy sweetener that is often found in chewing gum and toothpaste. Clear and Zinase nasal sprays work by moisturizing and hydrating your nasal passages. It also helps reduce inflammation and congestion, making it easier for you to breathe and feel more comfortable. These amazing products come in various formulations to suit your needs, so you can find the one that works best for you. Now let's talk about the benefits of using these sprays for chronic sinusitis. If you have been struggling with sinus issues, you will definitely want to pay attention to this. First and foremost, these sprays provide natural moisturization and hydration to your nasal passages. This helps soothe dryness and discomfort, which is a common problem for those with chronic sinusitis. But that's not all. Clear and Zinase also help reduce inflammation and congestion and can make it easier to breathe and alleviate that constant stuffy feeling. One of the unique aspects of these sprays are its ability to promote sinus health by preventing bacterial growth. Xylitol creates an environment that's less friendly to harmful bacteria, which can lead to fewer sinus infections. Lastly, xylitol acts as a surfactant, which can make it difficult for bacteria to cling to your nasal linings. And let's not forget about the enhanced sinus and respiratory comfort. Using these sprays regularly can help you breathe more easily and feel better overall. You might be wondering if there is any evidence to support these claims. Well, the good news is that there are studies and research that back up the efficacy of xylitol-based nasal sprays. I have posted a study by the Australian Journal of Otolaryngology below that supports the benefits of clear and Zinase sprays, indicating that they are effective for people who suffer from regular sinus issues and infections. Additionally, look in any drugstore chain near you on their website and check out the reviews. They are very solid. Now, let's get practical. How do you use xylitol-based nasal spray? It's essential to use it correctly to reap its benefits. The instructions state that you should shake the bottle well, gently blow your nose before you use it, and then do 1 or 2 sprays in each nostril. The bottle also recommends that you can use the spray twice a day. While this is an over-the-counter product, I want to be clear, here at Total Health Turnaround, we are not doctors, and we urge you to check with your healthcare provider to make sure that this product is safe for you and your situation. In conclusion, Clear and Zinase are fantastic options for those dealing with chronic sinusitis. It offers natural relief, helps maintain sinus health, and has a growing body of research to support its effectiveness. As promised earlier, the reason that these awesome drug-free sprays are better than some other over-the-counter sinus medications is because products containing certain drugs have an issue called rebound. If used more than 3 to 5 days, rebound congestion can develop, which is severe stuffiness and can take up to a year to treat. These great drug-free products can be used anytime as long as you need them, and that is, of course, as long as your healthcare provider has cleared you. We encourage you to consider trying xylitol-based nasal sprays if you've been suffering from sinus issues. However, please remember that for severe or prolonged sinus problems, it's always essential to consult a healthcare professional. Thank you so much for joining us today on this journey to better sinus health. If you know someone who could benefit from these xylitol-based sprays, please share this video with them. Also, please like, share, and subscribe as it really helps us grow. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.